Did you know your dream job, maybe the one you spent years studying for, could be on the brink of extinction? Imagine waking up one morning and discovering your entire industry just vanished, replaced by AI. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing the top 10 jobs most at risk from AI, based on hard data, not hype. Some of these will absolutely shock you. But here's the twist. Number 2 is so unexpected, almost nobody is talking about it, and it could impact millions before the decade is out. This is Wealth Atlas Official, where we help you navigate global wealth trends to grow your future. So, what jobs should you really be worried about? Let's count down from number 10. And as we go, ask yourself, how safe is my career really?
Number 10, warehouse and logistics clerks. Picture this, a massive Amazon warehouse. It's midnight. Instead of hundreds of workers, you see robots and AI-powered arms picking, sorting and packing boxes at blinding speed. According to a recent McKinsey report, over 60% of logistics clerks' tasks are now automated in top-tier facilities. As AI-powered software and robots take over, these jobs are rapidly disappearing.
Number 9, proofreaders and basic translators. This one stings for anyone who loved language. But here's the truth. AI tools like Grammarly and DeepL now handle proofreading and basic translation with near perfect accuracy, 24/7 at a fraction of the cost. Don't believe it? The World Economic Forum predicts more than half these roles could be gone by 2030. Number 8, market research analysts, routine tasks. Ever wonder how companies seem to know exactly what you want? Spoiler, it's not just analysts crunching numbers anymore. AI sifts through mountains of data, detects patterns, and generates insights in seconds. For analysts focused on basic tasks, trend spotting, survey summaries, AI is doing it faster, cheaper, and sometimes better. Number 7, insurance underwriters and claims processors. Picture this, an AI that can assess risk, review claims, and flag fraud instantly. That's not the future, it's already happening. Major insurers now use AI to automate claim approvals and underwriting. According to Deloitte, this could cut traditional roles in half within 5 years. Number 6, retail cashiers. The next time you use a self-checkout or walk out of an Amazon Go store, you're seeing the future. One where human cashiers are increasingly obsolete. In some Tokyo convenience stores, the only human you see is a security guard. Everything else, automated. If you think those jobs are at risk, wait until you see what's coming up next. Number 2 is so shocking, it could affect millions in high-paying fields. You won't believe who's on the list. Number 5, paralegals and legal assistants. AI can't do law, people said. But then AI started reviewing contracts, analysing evidence, and drafting routine legal docs in minutes. In fact, a Harvard study found that law firms are already cutting back on entry-level hires because AI reviews mountains of case files 10 times faster than humans. Number 4, routine bookkeepers and payroll clerks. Remember when accounting meant piles of paper? Not anymore. AI software now manages invoices, payments, and even tax filings, spotting errors human eyes miss. This isn't the future, Businesses are switching now automated bookkeeping to save time and money. Number 3, data entry clerks. If you think your job is safe because someone has to enter the data, think again. AI-driven OCR can scan, process and file data instantly. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, data entry is projected to be among the fastest disappearing roles in the next 5 years. Number 2, basic content writers. Here's the shocker. Not only are routine jobs at risk, so are creative ones. AI is now generating news reports, product descriptions, and even YouTube video scripts. Don't worry, you're still getting the real deal here. Companies are using AI to churn out massive amounts of content, pushing down the need for entry-level writers. Quick question. Would you trust an AI to write your next resume or business plan? Drop your thoughts below. Let's see who's bold enough to try. Number 1. Telemarketers and customer support reps are now the number 1 job most threatened by AI. Telemarketers and customer support reps. AI voice bots handle thousands of calls an hour. They don't get tired. They don't need a break. And here's the kicker. Most people can't even tell the difference anymore. A Gartner survey found 6% of customer interactions in major companies are now handled by AI bots. But here's what almost nobody's telling you. While these jobs are vanishing, brand new AI-powered careers are exploding. By the end of this decade, you could ride the AI wave to wealth if you know where to look. So how safe is your job? Drop a comment. Are you in one of these roles? Or do you know someone who is? What's your biggery or opportunity from AI? Remember, every massive shift in history creates new winners. The key, spotting the trend early and upskilling fast. Next week, I'm breaking down the 10 new careers AI is creating and how you can get ahead of the curve. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss out. You've been watching Wealth Atlas Official. Navigate global wealth trends to grow your future. Stay smart, stay ahead. I'll see you in the next one.